Rune here, brawling. Barf Belch, Defender Gronkle, and I didn't catch the third one. Let's see, Meatlug. So I'm going to go after these guys in order like this. I'm going to go Barf Belch, Defender Gronkle, then Meatlug. Barf Belch, level 25. They're really sending some high numbers at me, and then 23 for the other two. Maybe you guys are right. Maybe I shouldn't be upgrading my dragons so fast. Nah, I'd never not do that. So that's what I like to see there is Sleuther dying, giving me just enough energy to fire off another heal. I'm going to switch and take out Defender Gronkle. And finally Meatlug. Now that I'm down to one guy, I'll start using my 2 action bar specials. And he should be gone real quick. Just like that. Another reason to leave defenders to the end. You're usually faster than them. Did you see how Dagger Skrill got to go twice?